Yeah, quality beer is also good, but I'm like, I don't like special beers though.
From the first pod. We need to get to it before the Imperials do.
I like my beer to be fresh.
We need to stop the Imperials from securing that pod.
Oh, that's a teammate. Oh yeah, motherfuckers. Oh shit. Wow.
The Imperials are securing the area around that escape pod. We need to stop them.
Okay. Yeah, I like Jaeger bombs.
We have the location of another pod.
Wow, 9-0.
The area around the escape pod.
Monster kill.
What kind of kill?
Monster kill.
I'm sorry you guys got wrecked by my gun. It's just the gun, it's not me.
Up another homing beacon. Secure that area and the pod. We're securing the escape pod.
I'm still good in this position. Yo, dude, James, my boy, how you doing, man? It's my boy James from England. Bloody England, mate. Or you just let it happen. I don't know. Oh, great, James. You're doing really good on H1C1, bro. Check out my score, bro. It's 70-0. What's that?
King Kong ain't got shit on
Exactly that. 18. 19.
We've identified the position of
You
another escape pod. Move on it as soon as possible.